Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into reading binary files in Python using NumPy. This is a powerful combination that allows you to efficiently handle large datasets in various numerical formats. Understanding binary files. Before we start coding, it's crucial to understand what we're dealing with. Unlike text files that store characters in a human-readable format, like ASCII or UTF-8, binary files store data as raw sequences of bytes. The meaning of these bytes depends on how the data was originally written. This could represent integers, floating point numbers, structures, arrays, images, audio, anything. The key challenge when reading binary files is knowing how the data is structured. One data type **, are you reading integers, floats, characters, or something else? 2 Endianness ** is the data in